Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing available storage space on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the Settings and select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Storage. Here you can see the total storage used. If you scroll down, you can see each app's storage usage. If you tap on the app, you can see more storage details about the app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.